Now these animals love to get to free range around the place, so we're looking out. Haven't been out in a couple of days. Get some fresh grass. Here comes the duck. She's coming out. They don't come out now. The younger chickens there get smaller. She's already grown a lot since I first got her. She's still kind of fighting a little bit. Stop. Chicken here we got. We're missing one chicken. I think she's in here laying an egg. She's in there laying an egg. She lays a lot of eggs, that chicken. Here we go, get some fresh bugs, some fresh grass. Khaki cameras, a little pond lift, we'll use it. So, this chicken is so friendly. She loves getting picked up. We get popped. Sit down. Put it beside her friend, the black star. Get the free range. Don't let them free range as much because I did extend the thing. Look, she runs up, she follows me around. But I extended the coop a little bit. Oh, she's coming out now. See if there's an egg. Yep, a nice. She's laying out small eggs. Egg. Thank you, Peanut. She's going to want to go out now herself. Getting some fresh water as well. The ducks mess up the water, so I might do something. Have some just for the ducks to drink. So the chickens are on. They mess it up with their beaks. They have all this free grass and they always come up to here. I keep, which can be annoying at times. I want them around here. It's a bunch of scrap. Old chicken stuff. And the statue I have to put up. I already have the peacock on. The ducks running around the place. You can hear a rooster from our other farm. Gone away. Let's give you the names. This one here is a black rock or a black star, named her Raven. The white one is a light Sussex, her name's Sully. Two named after the other one we used to have. That's Peanut. Forget her breed. That's a buff Suffolk, and her name's Ginger. That's a Bluebell, and I named him Bluebell. That's a Roland Red, and her name is Red. The ducks, I can't tell them apart, but one's Daffy Duck, one's Donald Duck. And they're very shy and skittish for some reason. And they keep they always beside each other. Yeah, the chickens are happy out and around the place. Chickens are so easy to catch and put in. Those ducks are a pain to grab. Put them back in. How you doing, girl? Hello, Peanut. Getting some food? I have to stock up some food for him. Just a longer video than the shorts, just chilling with the birds. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. This is why I like letting them free range, because the younger ones can get some food. Like the older ones, especially the white one and that ginger one, they bullies. And same with her. That bluebird seems to be pretty chill. Doesn't really attack them much, and the ducks don't care. They attack the ducks, the new ones. But those three could be quite mean to the new ones. Raven's a sweetheart. Though. She wasn't looking at you like, what are you doing? Yeah, she's a nice fawn. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bit of a longer video today. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.